And James said, if you wanna you go get our Starlight. Hi guys. So, Nugget is glowing and back on the ground after almost a year and a half because it was broken. So, hello Francis.
I was about to bring my...
Say hi to the vlog.
Hello, hello. Congrats, congrats.
Go in. So, we have been getting so many inquiries for Starlight, but none of you were pushing through because I think you guys wanted a demo. So after 2 sleepless nights, tapos na si Nugget. Bang! So for Nugget, we put twinkle stars, we put shooting stars, and then we put constellation of stars. So it's full RGB, twinkle stars stay white, shooting stars stay white. Ayan na guys, yung sample na hinihingi niyo. So technically speaking, hindi pa to yung final product. We still have to detail the roof liner kasi, you know, Civics have gray roof liners and it got dirty real quick. So we're just showing you what these. James will do a B-roll. Wait for the full finished product. Ito muna, tease for you guys para mag-go na kayo sa Starlight. We have it guys, we have it. And James said, if you wanna bet under the stars, you go get our Starlight kasi we have shooting stars and twinkle stars. There's nothing more realistic than that, boys. Let's go.